Now back to our gruntfile.js. I just wanted to demonstrate that this value here is arbitrary, so we could call this something else if we wanted to. We'll call it concat.js. We'll save it, and if we go back to our terminal screen and we run grunt again, we'll see that it runs the same thing without a problem. Now where this name comes into play is if we have two different versions of this task. So for example, maybe we want a concat CSS. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it in, and I'll call this concat CSS. And let's call this built.css, and we won't worry about the source for right now. If we save this and ran it in the terminal, by default, it would run both of those tasks. So it ran our concat.js and our concat CSS. But if we only wanted to run one when we ran grunt, then we could specify which version of this we want to run by adding a colon to the task name and then adding the version name. So let's say concat CSS is the one we actually want to run. So we'll save this, and now if we run this, we'll just type grunt again. We see that concat CSS is run, but not concat.js.